Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by targeting the soft ban, so act now. Log out of the FC24 web app and clear your browser cache and cookies. Once done, open an incognito window or a different browser to avoid session tokens persisting. Make sure to record your platform ID, email, and any recent transfers or active listings because you will need them for verification. You are not changing settings yet. You are creating a clean session and collecting evidence to prove the ban is temporary or triggered by an edge case. Now you perform the main fixes, cancel or relist active transfers, and remove any duplicate or suspicious listings that could flag automated behavior. Next, unlink and relink your console/PC account through EA account settings to refresh authentication tokens and clear backend state. Once relinked, make only a few manual trades rather than bulk moves. This reduces the chance of re-triggering detection. Also, disable any third-party transfer tools and stop using companion apps until the system resets to normal behavior. Finish by verifying recovery. After making the cleanup changes, wait 24 to 72 hours and then test a small, legitimate transfer to see if trades succeed. If the soft ban persists, contact EA support and provide your platform ID, exact timestamps, screenshots of error messages, and a concise timeline of actions you took. If support does not resolve it immediately, try a different device or network, ensure the web app is up to date, and prepare transaction logs. This evidence often speeds up appeals and removes false flags.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.